How do you hook up a portable generator to your breaker box and power your gas furnace? If your gas furnace has a cord and a plug like this, you can run an extension cord from this plug that goes to your furnace outside to your portable generator. You can also use a cord like this that has the NEMA L1430P. This plug goes in your generator, and then there's a bunch of 110 volt receptacles right here, and we could just plug this in. And this is a way to power our gas furnace. But today, we're gonna wire up the box. We're gonna take the male end of the cord, go ahead and plug it into the generator, like so. You gotta cut this end off, like that. You wanna strip all 4 wires. Now we're gonna be able to land these wires, and I'll show you where we land them. Your green is ground, your white is neutral, your red and your black is your 2 hots. So between red and black, you should have 230 volts. Wired the red and the black into the double pole 30 amp breaker. Now I'm going to put the breaker in place. Make sure it's off. Green's on the ground bar. White's on the neutral bar. Now we've got our 30 amp breaker that's off. Black and red wired to it. Now when you're ready to use it, we need to shut off the main. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn off all the breakers, start the generator, and then I'm going to turn off the main before I turn on the breaker that powers the house from the generator. Then we'll turn on the loads that we want. Generator's on. Checking the power at the breaker, 240 volts AC. We got the breakers on for the lights, and we got the breaker on for the gas furnace. Let's go see if the gas furnace is working. And remember, leave the main breaker off for the main panel while you're using a generator. We don't want to backfeed power to the grid. We got heat. This is an easy way to power your gas furnace, power your box during a power outage. This video was for educational purposes only. Now I'm going to give you some super important safety tips, like never use a gas power generator indoors. You don't want CO exposure. Never backfeed a panel incorrectly. When you hook a generator to a breaker panel, you want to use a proper interlock. You want to use a transfer switch. If you backfeed incorrectly, you energize utility lines, you can hurt linemen, you can burn up wiring or start a fire. So be careful, hire a licensed electrician, hire a professional, and codes apply. Working inside of a breaker panel can cause serious injury, and it can be very dangerous. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and smash that bell. Ding, so you know what I'm doing.